Now we're ready to align the reads against the reference genome. So we change directory into NGS course 03 alignment. So change directory NGS course 03 underscore alignment, and we run BWA. So BWA MEM MEM. MEM is the default BWA algorithm for aligning longer reads. So basically it finds exact matches and builds the alignment around them. So we put the reference genome, which is in the folder reference genome, and it is the nc underscore 044904.1.fasta, and we put the forward reads. So one directory up, 02 trim srr something something underscore 1 underscore trim dot fastq, and the second one, it is the same. I'll just copy and paste the reverse reads, which is the same, but it is not underscore 1 underscore, it is underscore 2 underscore trim dot fastq, and we output it to srr 14632.923.sim, and we wait.